What's up, guys? I Fix It in Your Face. Don't forget, I have a Facebook that you guys can join if you have questions about anything in the video or anything in regards to anything motorcycle, scooter, fix-it stuff. Join my Facebook. It's an easy way to get in contact with me and get you help you need. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, all that good stuff, man. I make these videos for you guys. I don't make them for me. You can help me by dropping a subscription. Join the Facebook. I'm telling you, man, join the Facebook. If you're trying to get in contact with me, it's the easiest way to do it. Okay? Don't forget, everything you need is in the description below of the video. Let's get started. What is going on there, guys? So today I'm going to be taking off this Micron exhaust, even though it was a fairly expensive pipe. This pipe is ruined. It is absolutely ruined. I need to make sure I have the correct size here. Oops, I need to go grab a 12. But as you can see, this pipe is just shot. It's completely shot. It is a very unhappy pipe, so we're going to do something about that. So, it's definitely standard, not metric. This bolt is anyways. Alright, now let's switch it over to here. That takes care of that. I'm going to save that bolt just in case. Before I take that off there, I'm going to move you guys. And the next thing we're going to do is take my pick and pull these springs off. Right here. And right there. Beautiful. And then we're going to loosen this right here. Actually, while I'm here, I may as well just put the new one on this side too. May as well just do it. We're already here, right? Makes total sense. Where's my pick? There we go. These are really easy to put on, by the way, guys. Just pull and drop. And that's it. Alright. I can actually take some pipe polish to this. It's not too bad. That's got a good hug on there. Cool. Shorty pipe has now been installed. The Micron pipe is now gone. So we have a nice fat body shorty pipe on there. It's probably going to make a considerable amount of noise more. And then I have to put the new clamp on down there. But it'll be fine for now. That rubber guard will hold it in place really well. So there we go. Let's wake the neighborhood up. Alright, she's still warming up a little bit, but we're still waiting on the plastics from China. I don't know what's taking them so long, but I did put the new orange CBR handles up front.
New exhaust is on there now. I mean, literally, that's why I said there's not much else I can do to this bike till the plastics get here, but you can definitely tell that pipe is a lot louder. A lot louder. And that's with a dB cutter on it, so it already has a noise reduction cutter on it. Oh yeah, it sounds way better. I love that sound. There we go. Now the bike's starting to warm up. That's what you wanted. Poor thing's just sitting in the garage waiting on plastics, man. It doesn't get a chance to drive around or run at all. 30-year-old monster just sitting here waiting. I come out here and run it every like 4 days or so, 5 days, to make sure I keep gas circulating through it. Yeah, it's definitely a lot louder pipe, that is for sure. Sounds good though, sounds healthy. That blue halo demon light I put on the front is really good. And you can see I put the new CBR handles on there. And I've got some orange grips coming for over the top of my carbon fiber. More carbon fiber, and then I'm getting ready to replace the mirrors. But it was time to put new exhaust on it. It needed it. The F3 needed it.